Welcome to Tasty Life Plantery. I bought this Petunia flower today and I'm going to repot them successfully for winter gardening. And see, I've taken 3 pots and here I am just cut them the plastic wrap which I bought from the plant shop. I just place them without disturb the root and just try to adjust soil, and I of course remove the dead flower. All the dead flowers it exist, luckily it have very few, just 1-2, and it is must, you have to remove the dead flower for sure. Winter flower plant looks very beautiful and just vibrant to my garden. And here is another one, so it is also I am going to do the same way. And see how beautiful purple and white color the petunia was. And petunia is very easy growing flower because I am not growing from the seeds. I didn't grow from the beginning because I am very bad luck in terms of having petunia, because every winter I have to buy this, but I couldn't survive them successfully for next year. So I don't want to tell you guys lie. I bought them every year. I don't know why. I tried a lot. I keep them in shady area, but they didn't survive in next year. So of course removing the all dead flowers, because dead flower kills the energy of plant, and petunia love sun. So I keep them that place where they got so much sun. And here the red and white petunia, as you can see, I just place them all together in one by one, which is a hanging pot. I will hang them in such area where they will get enough sun, and if I need, then I can move them where they will get another sun place and they will give me enough flower in all the winter. See, I'm going to remove all the dead flower, and here are they are really amazing and so beautiful. I'm going to give them rice soaked water and dal washed water in every week, because that's the liquid fertilizer I gave them. And tea leaves, liquid tea, raw tea, which I also try to give them. It helps. I didn't give that much that fertilizer, and successfully they give me flower in every winter.